In this video, we are going to see that if we want to customize the line chart formatting, let's say that we want it to be in dotted style, in thick style, or in brick style, how we can customize all of these in Tableau. Now for that, we need the comparison from the basic one. So to create the comparison, what we will do is we will put some more parameters to rows. Let's say the create sold, the sales amount, and let's say for the profit, we can create one calculated field as well. So let's go to create and click on calculated field. And let's say we want to extract profit. So the formula is very simple. Sales amount minus cost of goods sold, click OK. And we have the profit field. Let's put it here as well. And now we have 4 line graphs. Now on the marks, we can notice that we have 4 characteristics here. We have the sum of sales amount, create sold, sales amount. Let's make this cost of goods sold. So cost of goods sold, and we have the profit. And the reason why it appears in the marks is when you click on any one of them, you will notice that you can customize the line and the formatting style for every single one of them. So for the first one, sales amount, I'll just keep it as it is, but let's move to the second one, which is create sold. We can also switch it to the other parameter just by clicking on this title. And you can see that line graph is although selected, but if you want to change the design of it, you can just click on this path, and there we have a simple line type, we have the stepwise line type, and we have the jump wise line type as well. So let's try the second one, and you can see the line looks like this. After that, if you want to, let's say, change it to green or any other color, you can do that, and you can increase or decrease the size according to your needs as well. Now the next one we have is cost of goods sold, and for that, although we will keep the line type to the original one, which is linear, but in the line pattern, let's select it to dotted. And this time it will show something like this. And after that, if you want to change the color, just to be versatile, you can change it to, let's say, black, and it appears like that. But I think blue is fine. Let's keep it to blue. Okay, for the fourth one, let's give another effect. And that is for every data point, we want to highlight this in dots. So although when we hover over it, we can see a dot, but if you want to highlight every data point in the same way, what we can do is we can add it to format. Let's select profit. And once this is open, you can click on color. Although we don't want to change the color, but in the bottom, you can see the markers effects. So right now it is set to automatic, but let's select all. And what this will do is it will add the markers or circles with every data point. And now it looks like this. So this is another way of customizing the line chart. And what you can do is we can add the thickness effect to this field as well. What we'll do is just hold the profit parameter here from the selection. Just hold it from the control key and just drop it on the size. What this will do is this will make it thinner and thicker as the progress goes up. It gets thicker as the progress goes down. It gets thinner. So it kind of gives a vibrant effect to the chart. So this is how you can use different formatting styles in line chart. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.